Hey there, 20-somethings. Let me guess. You've just started adulting, your coffee budget rivals your rent, and every financial article is telling you to save for retirement like your life depends on it. But here's the kicker. You're trying to figure out which retirement account to prioritize: 401k, Roth IRA, traditional IRA, HSA, and it feels like trying to pick a favorite sibling. Hey there, 20-somethings. Let me guess. You've just started adulting, your coffee budget rivals your rent, and every financial article is telling you to save for retirement like your life depends on it. But here's the kicker. You're trying to figure out which retirement account to prioritize: 401k, Roth IRA, traditional IRA, HSA, and it feels like trying to pick a favorite sibling. Don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, we'll break it all down with some humor, some math, and a whole lot of real talk. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which retirement account deserves the golden ticket in your financial strategy. First off, let's tackle the big question. Why should you even care about retirement in your 20s? I mean, you're just getting started in life. But here's the thing. Retirement savings isn't about age. It's about time. And time, my friends, is like Beyoncé. It runs the world. Thanks to the magical powers of compound interest, the money you save in your 20s grows exponentially. It's like planting a tiny acorn and watching it grow into a massive oak tree. Except this oak tree is made of dollar bills. Example time. If you start saving $200 a month at 25 and earn an average annual return of 7%, you'll have over $500,000 by 65. But if you wait until 35 to start saving that same $200, you'll only end up with around $250,000. Yep, those 10 years cost you a cool $250,000. Let that sink in. Alright, let's meet the contenders. 1. The 401k. This is your workplace-sponsored retirement account. It's like a VIP club where your boss sometimes matches your contributions. If your employer offers a match, think of it as free money. And if you're not taking advantage of that match, you're basically walking past free pizza at a party. 2. The Roth IRA. The Roth IRA is the cool kid on the block. You contribute post-tax dollars now, and in retirement, all that growth and withdrawal is tax-free. That's right, tax-free. It's like eating dessert without counting the calories. 3. The traditional IRA. This one is similar to the Roth, but in reverse. You get a tax break now, but you'll pay taxes on withdrawals in retirement. Think of it as the pay later plan. 4. The HSA, Health Savings Account. Not just for medical expenses, the HSA is a stealthy retirement account with triple tax benefits. Yep, you heard me, triple. Contributions are tax deductible, growth is tax-free, and withdrawals for medical expenses are tax-free too. It's like the Swiss Army knife of savings accounts. 5. Taxable brokerage account. Not a retirement account per se, but if you max out the others, this is your playground for extra investments. No special tax perks here, but it's flexible, and who doesn't love flexibility? Now comes the million-dollar question. Which account should you prioritize in your 20s? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Get that 401k match. If your employer offers a match, grab it. Contribute at least enough to get the full match. It's like a 100% return on your money, and that's better than any Black Friday deal. Step 2. Max out your Roth IRA. After you snag that match, it's time to max out a Roth IRA. Why? Because your 20s are likely your lowest tax bracket years. Pay those taxes now and let your money grow tax-free. Future, you will be doing cartwheels in gratitude. Step 3. Go back to the 401k. Once your Roth IRA is maxed out, return to your 401k and contribute more. Aim to hit the annual contribution limit if you can. Remember, this is all about long-term gains, baby. Step 4. Consider the HSA, if eligible. If you have a high-deductible health plan, the HSA is a no-brainer. Use it for medical expenses now, or let it grow and become a supplemental retirement account later. Step 5. Taxable accounts for extra savings. If you've maxed out everything else and still have money to invest, taxable brokerage accounts are your go-to. No contribution limits, no withdrawal restrictions, just good old-fashioned investing freedom. Now let's talk about what not to do. 1. Procrastination. Putting off retirement savings because you think you have plenty of time is like saying you'll study for finals the night before. It never ends well. 2. Overfunding. 1 account. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your accounts to take advantage of different tax benefits. 3. Ignoring fees. High fees can eat away at your savings faster than a raccoon at a garbage buffet. Pay attention to expense ratios and account fees. 4. Cashing out early. Cashing out your retirement savings early is like eating your packed lunch before 10 a.m. You're going to regret it later. All right, folks, let's put this into action. If you have a 401k at work, check your contribution and make sure you're getting the full match. Open a Roth IRA if you haven't already. There are plenty of low-cost providers like Vanguard or Fidelity to get you started. Set up automatic contributions. Saving is easier when you don't have to think about it. Review your budget and adjust as needed. Remember, even small amounts add up over time. And there you have it. Retirement savings in your 20s doesn't have to be complicated. Just start early, prioritize smartly, and let time and compound interest do the heavy lifting. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button and share it with your friends who need a little retirement savings inspiration. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more tips, tricks, and strategies to crush your financial goals. Got questions or your own retirement saving hacks? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy saving and keep building that financial future. You've got this.